guys, it's Ava. My mom had me cleaning the basement the other day, and I came across this puzzle. I guess it was like my dad's or brother's when they were younger or something. I have no idea what it's called. All I know is that it's made by Binary Arts, but this is made in like the early 90s. So, yeah, basically the way it works is, the numbers, or the yellow things, I don't know if you can see from here, the yellow circles have numbers on them, and they just spin around like this. And then the ones that are on the purple circle, just by turning the circle, you can flip to the other side, or like to put them backwards or some shit. But, yeah, it took me about 10 minutes to learn how to solve it. So, yeah, what you gotta do is just start off with 1, and put 2 in its place, 3, 4, really easy, and just keep going around. Eventually it'll solve itself. Because, like, when you go to solve 20, you'll mess up 1, then you fix 1, then you fix 2, then you fix 3. Eventually it'll be solved. Yeah, if anybody knows what this is called, please tell me. I'm really curious. For now, I'm calling it numeric circles, I guess. But, yeah, I was looking on the Binary Arts website and couldn't find anything to do with this. So the only way I know it's from Binary Arts is, I don't know if you can really see it, but it says it right there, like carved in. So, yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.